Yeah, I'll follow. You're better. I can say that. I'm just faster. Ooh, I am feeling my hammies now, though. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wait, I gotta remember that somebody's in my ears. My bad. I constantly, hum the Billy Madison song and shit. Oh, my God, I'm gonna go jump off a bridge. He just said he doesn't know who Billy Madison is. That slow Zarati. Okay, too hot to be sitting here. Joking. It's actually not bad yet. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Clee World. We are back with another vlog today, and today we are doing another bike meet at Star Power Sports. But for the first bike meet on the leader bike, what better way to pull up than with the Italian monsters on the leader bikes? We got Gage over here on the RSV4 factory. He's a little slower, but it's cool. But yeah, so we're headed over to the bike meet right now, and I'm probably just going to be shooting the shit most of the time until we get there, so, because I'm not trying to annoy this man just talking to myself constantly. I'd rather have a conversation. If only you had your mic set up, we could have just used both viewpoints. I should have thought about this beforehand, to be honest. Oh, there's kids waving. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely ride the clutch a little bit much, where I'm just not used to it yet. Oh, buddy. Leader bike shouty. I've been talking so much shit for days. I know everybody's so sick of my shit right now. It's like you only get your first leader bike once in your life, you know? I wish I could stay in first gear, though. As soon as I hit like 40, I have to go to 2. But I really, as soon as I hit 100 miles an hour seems to be my 6th gear 7K RPMs. Because I literally can't, right when I hit 100, I'm at my 7K limit. But I'm at 289 miles. You don't know nothing about that, dog. That's like 2 decades before your time. No, you don't. Who sings it? Le, Ryler, get on up, get on up, get on up, Ryler. You know what I'm talking about? That's crazy. I can't believe, do you actually? There's no way. Drama sings it, but that was the reason I say there's no way you heard it is because you might have heard it like TikTok, honestly, but that's like the only song he ever came out with. Like, he released an album, the whole album was ass, and like that was the only one, and that came out when I was in like middle school, dog. Oh yeah, when I'm riding, I keep having to flare out my legs just to let them breathe for a minute. Don't be hitting your all's brakes. We're trying to go fast. Yeah, that's straight. Or you mean Sunday? Sunday fun day? I'm so excited for that. Bro, I've never been to like an official car meet before. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. So like, even though I'm like socially, like I'm a good talker, right? But like inside my brain, when I'm doing that, I'm like, I sound stupid. You know what I'm saying? And like, I get like really like social anxiety, right? But like something about the bikes, man, it takes it away. And I don't know if it's like, I know there's a central point of conversation or what, but like something about the bikes just makes me want to go do shit. I'm like, car meet, 10,000 people? Let's do it. So I actually saw this show when we were waiting on our house to be done. I had to work out at the Anytime Fitness right there across from West Town. And so one morning, randomly, there's like a million cars. And I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And that's what it was. And there was so many people. And basically, I got to the gym at like 5. And by the time I left, it was like 8:30. That's why I know what you're talking about when you're like, people start getting there at 5, because that's exactly what time people were getting there. First bike meet on the Ducati. I'm gonna act like I don't know anybody there. I can't wait to hit Raleigh, because Raleigh used to have a ZX10. Now he's on the Husky 701, the Supermoto. As soon as I see him, be like, "What's up, man? Nice to meet you." There's already a lot of people here, I think, because they're parked on both sides already. Oh, it's not that bad. If we can, in front of the door somewhere. Oh, yeah. Next to the M1K. Yeah. Definitely. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going out there? It's so hot. I wish I was like 6'2". If I was like 6'2", I'd really be in there right now. My dog. No more little 457. Bro, when I was on my way here, when I don't have a thing right here, it switched to radio in my car though. So when you called me, it was just ringing. It didn't say who it was. So I was like, oh, I figured it was spam, so I didn't even bother. And then I get over there and it was like, yeah, you called. Yeah, my bad. And I meant to hit y'all and see if y'all wanted to ride to meet him with me. And then I completely forgot. Oh, ain't she so pretty though? She's so pretty. I gotta get, it's gonna take me a little minute, but I gotta get exhaust put on that one. like a beast. If I wasn't getting restricted by 7,000 RPM, cause truly like, dude, I'm pretty sure in 6th gear, 100 is that 7 mark. So it's like right when I'm trying to like hit a 100, it's like I'm right at the 7 as well. So, no, you can. That's the problem. Like, dude, I accidentally did it one time. Dude, don't even start with me. If you're slow little piece of, is that you today? What are you on? Huh? Oh, you pointed over there by the H2. I was like, don't even, if you pulled out an H2 on me today. Is the M getting down like that on it?
Dude, the M tops out at 215 right now.
The M? No, that's what we were just talking about it, because we're talking about how the RSV4 and the R1 are the best sounding shit. Golly, boy. That thing's so filthy. Does that come stock? No. I didn't think so.
They make it for years too.
How much is it to do something like that? Like $900? God. Everything is like, it's like how much? It's like minimum price 1,000. like on everything, bro. Minimum price 1,000 on everything. Hold on. Did you ride here today? You don't ride bikes. You don't ride. I'm like.
Honestly though, it kind of not gonna lie, I love it.
Oh, I know. It's so much more clean. When's it gonna be here? Because I'm at like 300 miles right now. So I think I should be good for break-in maintenance on Monday. I got you. Let's do it. Ugh. Oh, this sits better than that one. This sits way better than that. Why?
I got a sergeant seat on it.
Dude, what the f***? I feel like I could bounce something on this. I feel like I could bounce something on this. Is it already warm? Okay. We just got here, but we got to take the better Pikes Peak out here. We got to take the better Pikes Peak out. I don't know how well y'all are going to be able to see this. I traded it in. I traded in the Panigale. Hey, she can take that jacket off too if she wants. You can take that jacket off if you want. This thing's so fast, bro. Have y'all ever seen one of these? It's the Pikes Peak. This is the race version of the Multistrada V4S. Bro, it goes so stupid, but this one's souped up though. So, and the seat on this one is way better than the one I rode the other day. No. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, and we got the better exhaust on this one. Boy, this ain't so bad, boy. Oh, man. Yeah, he's been wanting me to take his out, and I'm actually glad that we're taking this out after taking out the other one the other day. So this is the same bike that we rode on the last vlog, which I'm guessing because I'm supposed to put that vlog out on Monday, so this one should come like Friday. So I should be right here. But basically this is Marcelo's own, and it's a little more souped up. It's a little more souped up. Where's my gear shift? Gonna be a long, long time. It sounds so good too with the acro exhaust. Why am I pulling my clutch in, dog? That was so stupid. I love how comfy these are, dog. And this seat is like nutty, bro. This seat is so, I forgot what he called that shit, but this is way comfier. Like the other one was comfy, but like this is insanely comfy. Woo, listen to that pipe, dog. I can't wait to get exhaust on my bike. I can't wait to get exhaust on my bike. We gotta get them pipes. Right now, the Ducati or the Panigale sounds like a washing machine. I know that's what everybody's like. That's everybody's like relatable thing, but honestly, I just don't know what else to say. It sounds like it's just like maybe like a broken blender. Like, I don't know. I truly don't even think it's that bad. It's just quiet. Like, it's not necessarily just that bad. It's just quiet as shit. But like the overall sound is like, it's kind of a cool sound. Like when you're sitting on it riding it, it's kind of a cool sound. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. I love how we can just like lean back on this motherfucker and chill. Why is this so far back? I feel like I feel so disconnected from the rest of the red light. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. We'll get back over here to the meet. Talk to everybody. Say hello. Hello. Is it you I'm looking for? Come on. Turn green, brother. Turn green, brother. Woo! God, that thing feels good, boy. Damn. That motherfucker feels so good, dog. There's the kickstand. How do we turn this thing off? How do I get my quad lock off? Appreciate it. Bro, you're right. It's another one. 100%. Oh, keys. I lost them. Let's see. Let's look at the bikes. Let's look at all the bikes. Oh, Cali with the handprints. The Aprilia. Which one is this? A little 660? I like. What is this, like the 20? No, because it has the newer winglets. I'm not sure. And then the little Dookie. Little Dookie. The Juice, I think it's a 750. I think. Oh, it's a 1000R. 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 Little Yami. What's up, dog? How you doing? Okay. What was that? You're bringing the vibe down now. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be like, hi. You're supposed to be like, dude, I'm doing awesome. Like,
I'm upset because I'm in a cage. I'm a fake.
oh, yeah. You pulled up in the cage.
I feel like a man.
That's kind of loser. I'm not gonna lie. But you have an excuse because riding with the camera sucks. Like,
No, I have two excuses.
and you just laid it down. No more Parkway right now. Dude, I'm not touching it on that. I'll kill myself on the Parkway right now.
As soon as it's fixed, it's going back on the
Yeah, hey, that's the only way to do it for real. Very true. What else we got here? 650R. Not a big fan of the 650 game, man. I'm truly not. What else we got? What is it? The 890 Duke? God, all the Dukes look the same to me, man. It's so hard for me to tell like which one is which. Boy, they be getting down on this one, don't they? Then we got the Street Triple. Ooh, a little 660 Factory. I haven't seen this one up here yet, and that motherfucker is gorgeous. I love it. We got the Cruisers, Honda 11, Z900. What do we got? Is this an 8R? What is this? 750. Great bike. Great choice of a bike. Haven't been on the Triumphs, I don't know. The Rally E. I saw this one somewhere the other day. That one's clean, bro. I love the Repsols, man. And then, of course, the MT-09. Oh, never mind. This is Ben's MT-09. GSX 1000, Raleigh's Husky. Some Cruisers. Oh, my Lord, the V4R. What is that? Oh, my God. This might be my favorite bike here. Oh, dude, I love Moto Guzzi's V73 Racer. Holy shit, bro. With the chrome. This is so sick. Whose is this? Another Moto Guzzi? Bro, whose are these? Oh my God. These are so nasty. These are so nasty. Oh, we got the blue RS660 coming in. Is that the V2S? That's lower too. Obviously, we got the H2. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even know there was more than one H2 around right now. I didn't even know there was more than one H2 in Knoxville right now. That's really f***ed up. Don't. You can't. We keep it very kid-friendly here, okay? Dude, I need a Grom, bro. I'm about to try and buy yours. I know. You need to keep yours, dog, because I'm telling you I'm getting one later this year. All right, homies, I'm going to take this off for a little minute. We'll turn it back on when we're leaving, but I want to take my helmet off. I'm hot as shit. I want some nicotine, so we're going to take this off and talk to people, but we will be back shortly. Okay, bye. Oh, I can't see shit. Okay, guys, so we just left the bike meet, talked to some people, looked at some bikes. It was another good time. We're now about to head downtown if I can find neutral. It's so hard on this break-in, bro. But we're going to head downtown, get some pictures and whatnot. I might throw some on the camera, but I don't have much recording space left, so that's pretty much it. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you want awesome POVs, like I have here, use the link below to go to Chin Mounts, get 10% off, and you can have awesome POVs like mine. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, peace.